Hello everyone, this is Scott Kiehn with Coldwell Banker, and I have the distinct privilege to give you Coldwell Banker's NFL Championship picks coming up this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. As you know, we have the NFC Championship, the Vikings versus the Eagles. This is an easy call. This will be open house by 7. And then again, we have another game later on in the day, the Patriots versus the Jaguars. This is going to be a blowout, open house by 21. Please come out and see us at our open houses this Saturday and Sunday. We'd love to see you out there. God bless. Have a great day. I am. Hashtag Coldwell Banker NFL playoff picks.
Nobody cares about the game.
I probably shouldn't say that. Okay, ready?
I think I'm ready. This is making me nervous.
Good. Yeah. So let's do another one. So. Yeah, it's just a deflated football. Okay. Saturday and Sunday 1 to 4, and we'd love to see you out there.
This is 1 to 4 is just throwing out.
Oh, sorry.
I love how you're throwing all this stuff around.
Where's my